Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to hard reset your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So this is what you have to do if you're having any kind of trouble. So the first one is you can do a hard reset without losing any data. So to do so, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over there. You have to keep on pressing and release the power button unless only one when you see the Apple logo on your screen. You have to keep on pressing till that. When you see the Apple logo, you can release it, and all you have to do is just wait so that it will be completely load up. So this is the first method, where you have to keep in mind one more thing, that you'll not be losing any kind of data. It's like giving a fresh start. So on your iPhone, so it's any kind of bugs and all those things will be completely fixed by this particular step. And most probably for every single person you are having this, by doing this, the issue might be fixed. But if that's not working, we have an alternative way. The way is all about you have to completely do a reset on, which means like a factory reset on your iPhone. So before doing that, keep in mind you have to take a complete backup because you'll be losing everything. So first take a backup. After the backup is successfully taken, you have to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. And from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here go to the reset. So erase all content and settings, you have to tap on it. And now it is going to asking you erase this iPhone, which means you'll be losing all the data, and go for continue so that you can erase it. But keep in mind one more thing, even I'm saying it once again, everything will be lost from your iPhone, so you have to take a complete backup. And once done, you have to go for the continue, and most probably these are the two ways you can do a hard reset on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.